Thank you for choosing DebtWise. In this video, we will show you how to capture your first application. Open your preferred internet browser, go to the navigation bar, and type in debt-wise.co.za. Click Enter. Select Members Login on the left-hand side of your screen. You will now be prompted to log in using the username and password that were sent to you during the registration process. On the top left-hand side of your screen, you will find the various login options. If you are registered as a consultant, select Consultant Login. If you are registered as a counselor, select Counselor Login. Select Add New Applicant from the menu. Should you wish to make use of the SMS facility to SMS your client, tick the SMS facilities box. Then enter the NCR reference number which you received when you loaded the applicant on the NCR Debt Help system. Then capture the date on which the client was registered. The referrer field allows you to keep track of clients that were referred to you by third parties. Should you wish to do so, complete the referrer field with the appropriate person's name. If you are capturing a joint application for a husband and wife married in community of property, select the joint application checkbox. Next, complete the rest of the client's personal information: their title, first name, surname, maiden name, if female and married, birth date, ID number, passport number, their gender, their race, select their marital status, and if they are divorced or separated, select the date on which they were divorced or separated, their residential address and postal code, postal address with postal code. Also indicate the residential ownership, whether they are tenants or if they own their homes. Indicate the period that they have been staying at the current address, their email address, home telephone, work telephone and cellular numbers. Next, you will complete the applicant's bank account info along with bank name, branch name, account name, account number, branch code, and the account type. In the next step, you will capture their employment info along with the sector in which they work, their employer, their pay or employee number, the employer's address, postal code, the period that they've been employed, the employer's telephone number, fax number, and email address. If there's a separate office handling payment, then you will capture the payment info here, otherwise select same as employer details. In the case of a joint application, capture the spouse details. Also capture the spouse employment information with occupation, employer, employer's address, postal code, and period employed. Next, you will need to add two next of kin, either other family members or close friends. Capture their name, address, postal code, telephone number, and their relationship to the applicant, along with an email address. Indicate whether the applicant earns his or her income monthly, weekly, or fortnightly by selecting the correct option from the drop-down list. Enter the applicant's gross salary in the supplied fields. Indicate current income in the actual column and proposed or expected future income in the proposed column. Beneath the gross income block, you will find space to list additional sources of income. Select the relevant source from the drop-down list and complete the actual column indicating the current situation and proposed column indicating future situations. You may add comments to each line. These comments will appear on the proposal sent to creditors later on in the process. You are now ready to note the deductions which appear on the applicant's salary advice. You will note that pay-as-you-earn, UIF, medical aid and pension are listed automatically. Please list any further deductions which may appear on the salary advice. Please also keep in mind to list the actual and proposed amounts. You must now list the applicant's actual and proposed monthly commitments. You can add and remove commitments to suit a particular applicant. Should you wish to do so, you can make provision for the costs applicable to an emoluments attachment order, such as 5% deduction by the employer. Finally, you can list all the creditors of the applicant. Start by entering the account number at the particular creditor. Then select the debt classification type, followed by the creditor name, the balance owed to the creditor, the monthly installment payable to the creditor, the applicable interest rate, and the terms to each claim. Once you have completed all of the above steps, you may tick the box to confirm all of the required fields have been completed. After ticking the box, you can click Save to ensure all the information you have entered will be stored. Remember, you will be able to access and edit the information that you have entered at any stage until the application is submitted for distribution. You have now successfully captured your first application, which is automatically listed under the Applications You Have Not Submitted section. In order to edit it, you would select Open, and various other options including Track, SMS and Print Form 16 are available from the Debt Counselor menu. Reach the end of video 2. Thank you and see you next time.